Did you know YouTube secretly tracks everything you watched across the whole year? And now they have introduced a new feature called YouTube Recap 2025. If you want to access that, you need to open YouTube, then click on right bottom corner U icon, and here the card will be show where is tabbed YouTube 2025 Recap. If that feature or that new update is not available here, then go back and you need to open Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, click on the search icon, search bar, then type here youtube youtube.com/recap. Alright, with this feature you can see your top videos, top channels, your watch time, and even what kind of content you consumed the most in last 12 months. Easily you can check that on your YouTube Studio, YouTube app, and also on Google Chrome. It's a fun way to see your habits and what you have been learning or enjoying all year. Check your recap and tell me what did you watch the most. I hope the short tutorial is helpful and the new YouTube update is you like that feature. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.